Hi everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments, and we're at the Novell Turtle Creek, looking at their gorgeous two-bedroom. And now we've already seen the living room and the dining room and the kitchen, and we've also seen just the entryway. But now we're going to see the bedrooms. So let's go into this master that's here. So let's look at this right now. Can't wait to show this off to you. Just gorgeous. Everything is crisp, clean, very fresh. You can tell just very high quality everything. The walls are perfection. Just love the look and the feel here. Very, very nice. And you've got a beautiful king bed that's here. A lot of room, a lot of just wall, and I love all the windows that are here. Some great views. We walk into the bathroom, and let's take a look in here. And wow, just so beautiful. Can't wait to show this off. It's just gorgeous. Lovely shower. It's a separate shower and then a separate tub. Just crisp, clean, perfect. It's much like a very high caliber hotel. It's just that good. It's just absolutely beautiful. This is a dual sink. And then we walk into the closet. The closet looks like this. Lots of storage. This is alpha style storage. Very, very pretty. This is the master. Now let's go see the other bedroom too. The other bedroom is very lovely as well. We're going to keep walking. First of all, there's the bathroom, the second bathroom that's here. That's going to be used by guests and the second bedroom inhabitant. So that's what that looks like. And now we're going to go actually into the bedroom. Can't wait for you to see that. Very, very nice. Beautiful bedroom. So much to see here. Just quite beautiful. Great views. And it's a beautiful bed. Lots of space here. You could easily have a king bed in here if you wanted to. But I like the way they did this too with that desk setup. Super pretty. Super elegant. And then here is the closet. And really nice closet. It is a walk-in closet. Looks great in here. Very, very pretty. Love the look and feel here, very, very much. This is a gorgeous floor plan. I think you're going to love it. This has my attention. I love the flooring here too, really light flooring. It's a just dazzling space with some fantastic views available. I highly recommend the Novell Turtle Creek. Hey, if you're ready to take a tour, what I might say is let's take a tour virtually. And I would request that. Use the number below, text me, and just say, hey, I'd like to do a virtual tour of the apartments that might fit my needs best. I'll set that up for you free. That's a free part of the free service that we have to find your perfect apartment here in the Dallas area. Send me a text and just say, hey, Grant, and we'll kind of take it from there. We can set up that virtual tour as early as today, depending on the time of day that you text.